Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore keyword tracking with Semrush Position Tracking step by step clearly. To restore keyword tracking with Semrush Position Tracking, start by logging into your Semrush account. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects section on the left sidebar. Select the project you want to restore keyword tracking for. If you haven't created a project yet, click the Create Project button and fill in the necessary details. After selecting your project, find the Position Tracking tool. Click on it to open the Position Tracking dashboard. Look for the Settings tab within the Position Tracking section. In the Settings tab, locate the Keywords section. Here, you can see the list of keywords previously tracked. To restore tracking for specific keywords, click the Add Keywords button. Enter the keywords you want to track individually or paste a list. Make sure to set the correct target location and device type for tracking. Once you've added your keywords, click the Save button to confirm. Wait a moment for Semrush to update the tracking status. You will now see the restored keywords in your Position Tracking dashboard. Next, check the tracking dashboard for updates on your keywords positions. To ensure accuracy, verify your competitors are still included in the tracking. Adjust any settings if necessary to optimize your tracking strategy. Monitor your keywords regularly for ongoing performance insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.